Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get black and white app icons Android. If you want to turn Android apps icon black and white, follow these easy steps. First, enable grayscale mode. It affects entire screen. First, open Settings, Digital Wellbeing, and Parental Controls. Then tap Bedtime Mode. Tap on Next. Tap on Not Now. Expand the Customize. Tap on Screen Options. At bedtime, then enable Grayscale. This will turn everything including icons black and white. Use a monochrome wallpaper. Go to Settings, Wallpaper and Style, or Personalization depending on your Android device. Choose a black and white wallpaper to match your icons. This will give your Android a black and white aesthetic. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.